Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make rosemary water for my hair. This is my first time trying this, and guys, I'm going to be doing it for 2 weeks continuously, and I'll update you later. Rosemary, as we all know, can be used in cooking, and it can also be used as tea. Today I'm going to be giving you guys some benefits of rosemary in our hair. It stimulates and improves circulation to the scalp, thus encourage hair growth. It is also used as a cleanser due to its antibacterial qualities, and we can also use it in our hair for shine. It also treats dandruff or other scalp irritations. Now, this is the quantity of rosemary I'm going to be boiling today for my hair. I'll add 1 liter of water inside, and I'll boil for about 15 to 30 minutes. My rosemary has been boiling for over 30 minutes now, and this is how it looks. I'm just going to turn off my stove now and leave it to cool down. Then I will strain it. Now it's cool and I'm straining it now, and after that I'll put it in my spray bottle, and you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I use it in my hair. I'm done straining it now, and out of the 1 liter of water I added inside the pot, I have just 1/4 left after 30 minutes of boiling. This I'm going to be using on my hair and on my daughter's hair. And once it's finished, I'll be making another one. This is the spray bottle I'm going to be using. So now I'll just transfer the water inside, and if you like, you can add olive oil inside before spraying it, but for me I'm going to be using it like that because I already washed my hair and oil it. Yeah, this is it. I'm done putting it in my spray bottle. Now I'm just going to spray it in my hair. My hair has been washed. I washed it 2 days ago and stretched it out, and now I'll just unravel each of the sections, spray it, and I'll tie it back. And you can also use twist out. I'll be showing you the 2 ways in which you can spray the rosemary water and keep your hair stretched. Sorry lovelies, the weather is changing, so the lightning of this video is going to be dull at some moments. I'm so sorry for that. And after spraying the rosemary into my hair, I'm just going to massage it very well. These are the two ways in which I'm going to be leaving my hair after spraying the rosemary water. And guys, if you have watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. And for my new subscribers, you're welcome. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.